filming.
We're filming?
Filming.
So the boy let us drive the Vet for a little bit, so just gonna mess around with Nigel and maybe get some videos of the Beamer going as well. Although it's only one lane. You hear that? Bald Eagles, baby.
Bald Eagles?
V power. Is it like down or anything, or just all the way over?
I think it's just over.
Like that?
I don't know. I never had to put it in reverse.
Does that have a stall? Wait, why does it feel like it's not in?
Just go for it.
Okay, it just has a really high.
Yeah, it has a high pedal.
Oh my god, it's hella high engaged. Like it's literally all the way up. What? Put the key in, you right side. Put the key in. Mine's a push start, but you gotta put the key in. Probably put it in neutral. Oh wait, no, keep it in there. Yeah, you probably. I think I'm drifting. You've been on this whole time.
I've been keeping it rolling.
Wait, why is the traction already off? You took this off?
Yeah, of course.
You took it off?
Yeah.
Can we get on the main highway? Turn the push off. How do you turn the push off?
Oh yeah, now it says Corvette. In case you weren't aware of what
You weren't aware. Corvette.
Corvette.
Oh, it doesn't say Corvette here though.
Damn.
No, Corvette, there you go. It's actually not that hard to drive though.
Nah, it's not too bad.
I thought it was gonna be a little harder.
There's like certain years that have a different trans that's supposed to be harder.
Oh really?
Yeah, the like 08 or the older ones.
Okay. This is bone stock basically, right?
Yeah,
You
bone
didn't have
stock.
exhaust
Yeah,
on it or
no,
anything, right?
no. This is the factory valve system, so
Yeah.
valve's just open.
Oh, just when you're like on high revs, it just opens?
Well, no, he took out the fuse, so it's always open.
Oh, okay.
That's how it's supposed to be, but he took out the fuse.
Gotcha. Am I waiting for this car or no?
It's a Cobb.
It's a Sergeant.
It's a Sergeant.
Oh shit. There goes. Volkswagen and BMW right now. So how do you guys feel about a Corvette? Should I get a Corvette? I actually want a Corvette so bad, you guys.
That's be fun.
Just to be fun with it?
I do like the orange. It's not too clean though. Hey, there's another one.
I got the wave. Not in my car. Not in my car.
Not in my car.
That's so funny. Love you.
I love you.
Love you. Ready?
Yep.
I barely let it go. To like 3K. That felt so fast. It's because it's manual. Alright, thank you. Oh wait, no, they have the thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, they have the cost number.
Oh yeah. Well, that was coming the other way, so. And we'll lose car.
Yeah, look at, we only went down to like right here. This is where we stopped. Huh?
Yeah, now we gotta do it more drive.
Now we gotta do a drive.
Where's your
Oh
nose?
shit!
Ah, here it is. Let's go for it.
What's the cover there? I almost revved it.
Oh, that's cool. That's too good.
Yeah, I like that color. Damn, I love
A
that.
yellow S3. Yeah, yeah. It was debadged though.
Was it?
Yeah. Downshift a second, just do a little baby hit.
Woo! Scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Being in the Corvette with the manual and that shit. I'm scared.
It's fun, huh?
Hella scary though. Especially in the rain right now. I'm like banging the shit out of it.
I love the turbo noises.
Oh, that car? You can hear him from here?
Nice. I love it.
Hell yeah. You don't even get that much throttle, huh?
Yeah, but like as a warning, if you float in second, the rear end's gonna spin.
I know, that's why I was like,
Yeah.
no, I'm not fucking wanting this shit right now. It's probably a bad day to drive this car because you really want this car to be like...
if it dries out, I could drive your car and then Diego could take you for a ride.
Okay.
He'll hammer on it. He'll slide it. We were sideways a lot on the way.
Yeah, I don't really want to do that. Honestly.
Between my house and Folsom, we were sideways a lot.
Yeah, I mean Corvettes and the NA V8s, bro. You're gonna need it to let it go up all the way into the fucking 6.5 RPMs.
Oh yeah.
We're not even touching like 3 right now because, I mean,
a little wet.
It's a little wet, yeah. And I don't really have the money to buy him another one, so yeah. But it is fun, like, you know, to driving manual in general. It's like, I feel like the manual car is that daily, not the non-daily car you have, the sports fun car, and like you can feel like, you know, the love and shit. But yeah, autos where is that for me, man? I'm sorry. Wait, we're gonna get food, like I said. So see you guys when we get there. Peace.
Andrew's gay.